All right, this is Miguel here in Statesville with the Bailey family. Now let me ask y'all, how y'all like the roof today?
We love it.
Love it, love it.
Love it.
What made y'all choose Gator Metal Roofing?
Well, we was advertised on TV, and I've been wanting another roof for a long time. And we're 40 years behind on our roof, so we decided to go with Gator Roofing.
Awesome. So how did the guys do today? I mean, did they
They did
teach you
excellent.
anything?
Awesome, excellent.
Very nice.
Good deal. I heard you fed them today too.
Yes,
Yeah.
we feed anybody that do work for us. You're not gonna come here hungry. You're not gonna leave here hungry. Y'all thirsty.
So we appreciate you guys. So would you recommend anybody else to Gator Metal Roofing?
Yeah.
Anybody. No matter what people tell you, experience on your own.
Awesome. Well, thank y'all for being
thank you.
customers to Gator Metal Roofing.
And
No,
thank you.
Thank
sir.
you.